In this video, I will demo the new feature that we are introducing in Skore, namely the ability to put processes into folders. So I have my workspace with a couple of processes, and we see that we have company-wide processes, we have a couple of HR processes, but also general business development or product development. So what I'd like to do in this case is have all the HR processes together in a given folder. So first I will go to the admin and the folder tab so that I can start creating my structure. So I have nothing at the moment. I will create, as I said, an HR, and I know there's a number of processes that will be now around finance. So let's create already a one, and then I can create another one for operations. Why not? So it's fairly easy to create folders, and if I made a typo, I want to change the name, I can just go to this menu here and say human resources, for example, if I'd like to have the full name. So now when I'm going back to my process list, I will see that my folders are on the left here. I have some finance, human resources, but they're all empty. So now I will assign my processes to these folders. So HR process obviously goes there. So I will open the process menu that I have on the card, and I have a new menu here called folders. And I will move that to human resources. So it's done. So the process doesn't move yet, just so it's not confusing. Recruit employees, folders, human resource as well. Close. And I think we had review employee performance folder. So we have another administration tool to do that en masse if needed. Alright, so now when I'm going to my human resources folder, I can see all the processes for HR, and even within a process I can still use the feature that we had at the root, at the home, which is having the process pinned. So I will pin my process HR process portal to the top of the list. So this portal will stick at the top of the HR folder, and I have all the other processes below. Now let's scroll back, or let's navigate back to the home, and I only have the remaining processes here. So this is the very early version of the folder, so I'm really looking forward to your feedback and usage and what we could do to improve it. Thank you.